Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We're on chicken quarter pounders for dinner today. Let's take a look at what we've got. This is the Aldi Roosters 2 chicken quarter pounders. These were £1.25 for 227 grams. These ones here are the Bird's Eye 2 chicken quarter pounders, and these are also 227 grams, and they're currently on rollback at Asda for £1.25. So really, these Aldi ones need to pull something special out of the bag because price difference is zero. There's the front of pack nutritional information if anybody wants to pause there. Interestingly, there's slightly more salt and sugars in the Aldi branded product. And we see that the Bird's Eye one has got more fat and more saturates than the supermarket own brand. Be interesting to see how these two fare up together and how they taste. Let's take a look at the ingredients of the Aldi product. We've got chicken breast 47%, water, oil, rice flour, wheat starch, salt, barley malt, maize, a few other bits in there. There's some allergens listed in bold, which is wheat and barley. There's the nutritional information. You can see that the energy per 100 grams is 264 kcal. These are frozen items. The cooking instructions, we do them in the oven from frozen, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Looking at the Bird's Eye product, let's take a look at the ingredients there. There's the ingredients. So again, chicken breast 47%, they're both 47%. We've got some oil, water. Now notice that those two ingredients are swapped round in the supermarket own brand. And yeah, fairly similar makeup, really. Same allergens, wheat and barley. There's the nutritional information for the branded product. Per 100 grams, 282 kcal. Very similar indeed. Very similar indeed. Slightly more fat in these. Very slightly more. Not much though. Cooking instructions for these ones. 220 or 200 if you've got a fan oven for 20 minutes. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. Here we go then. This is the Aldi chicken burger, and this is the Bird's Eye chicken burger. As we can see, there's not a lot of difference. The camera doesn't pick it up, but this one is very slightly darker in colour, and I think that's that malted barley. But do you know what? They're almost like for like. I'm going to stick these in the air fryer and we'll bring you back about halfway through the cooking time. Here we go then, this is our half time. Starting to brown up. Starting to get a bit of colour on there, which is good. We're going to turn them over, carry on the rest of the cooking time, and we'll bring you back when they're ready. Go, listen to them sizzling. So on this side we've got the supermarket own brand Aldi. And on this side, we've got the branded Bird's Eye product. These have just come out. I'm just going to check the temperature of them. Looking for 87. We've got 95. So we're okay with them. There we go. We've got the Aldi on this side. And we've got the branded product on this side. So yeah, don't know what you think, but as we cast across there, they look almost identical. We've got the supermarket own brand on the left, we've got the Bird's Eye branded product on the right. There's no additional sauces or anything else on there because we don't want to affect the taste test, which we're about ready to do. So as normal, going for the own brand first. Just got some bread rolls and we've got some proper butter on there. they've got a really nice crunch to them. Yeah, I can taste the crunchy outer. The chicken's in there. It's quite a nice consistency. Yeah, piping hot. Yeah, they're alright then. Yeah, they are alright. I'm going to go for the bird's eye ones now. I think there is a crunch there, but it's less of a crunch. These are less crunchier. And I think the inside as well is a bit more oily. There is a bit more oil in these, a bit more fat. And I think you can taste that in the consistency of the product, actually. Chicken wise, texture wise, everything else is near enough the same. Very, very hard to tell the difference between those two. Really, really was. For me, the Aldi had a slight more crunch. On the other side was, yeah, I think you can taste the difference with that tiny bit of oil in there. I think you can, yeah. I think in a way it sort of makes the burger a bit more moist, chewable. But ultimately it is, you know, that bit of extra oil. That's what you're chewing, I think, because the ingredient makeup was near enough the same. They've come out of the air fryer the same colour, you know. There is nothing in it. The only disappointment is they're both £1.25. Which one would I buy? Either. You know, £1.25, there's no cost saving. The product themselves tasted the same. If you like a bit of extra crunch, in my opinion, I think the Aldi ones had the slight edge in terms of crunch. I really do. And I think overall, the consistency of the burger, I think was nicer. Yeah, a bit of a even keel, this one. I'm going to give them both an 8. I'd have either one. I hope you enjoy this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.